Today, I'm going to show you how to find your full Instagram search history. If you've ever wondered where all those searches went or want to clear them out, you're in the right place, so let's dive right in. First, let's open the Instagram app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Then select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Security. Or if you can't find it, you might find it in your activity. Here you can find recent searches. Tap on it. Now, here you can find all your recent searches. To clear, simply click on Clear All and all your search history will be deleted. And that's it. You've successfully found and cleared your Instagram search history.